National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Dallas County in north central Texas, Denton County in north central Texas, Western Cullen County in north central Texas, Tarrant County in north central Texas, until 8:30 a.m. At 5:26 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain moving into the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen, and flash flooding is already occurring. Some locations that will experience flooding include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Mansfield, Lewis, DeSoto, and Bedford. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.